Let's start at what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is when a machine learns to observe, think, and decide rationally, which, surprise, surprise, AI models like ChatGPT can do today at a basic level. It doesn't have to be exactly like humans, it can be a new form of intelligence, a whole new type of species. Now, AI can be of three types. Artificial narrow intelligence is when an AI is really good in a narrow domain. For example, there is AI which is better than the world champion at the game of Go. Back in 2017, AlphaGo beat the number one ranked player in the world, winning all three matches. But playing Go is pretty much all it can do. As a narrow intelligence, it cannot do anything else. We have had artificial narrow intelligence for a while now. These systems are very good at one thing only, such as playing chess, predicting protein structures, or algorithms like Facebook and YouTube. However, smart humans are not satisfied with AI just beating the world champion at chess. They want AI to beat everyone at everything, which brings us to artificial general intelligence. It's an AI which is as smart as humans across the board. So anything a human can do, like driving cars, writing code, or composing movies, an AGI will be able to do as good as humans, if not better. Well, say goodbye to all our jobs, but smart humans won't stop there. Throw a bit more energy, more efficient processors, and mix in a bit of recursive self-improvement, and we arrive at artificial super intelligence. It's an AI much smarter than all humans in practically every domain. With every improvement, it can come up with novel ideas to improve itself, thereby exponentially increasing in intelligence. This will be the first time humans will find themselves among a species more intelligent than us. What comes with such intelligence? Let's take a look.